Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Buat jingkli ke HYC ya ka rajong ka sarkar pan panjing syai ya ka RTI halor kilong yeng ka temmetor. Ka HYC ka sele ke ei kebedon kam lada ka sarkar kadang yai beteng pan slam habai dei bekene ka kam. Ya tu presiden ka HYC ba Roy Gopar Senram sakila pathai khubor man ha ka tarik ujamang. Kajing penpainia kat HYC ubah Prestone tengsong sambut menteri rang ba kajala ha kajing keren usambut menteri ketenat kampo iyeng ubah Prestone tengsong hadian kasngi ka ba uong ba upha ya kajubab RTI ka ba yo na ka HYC sia ka SMB bat Urban Affairs bat penting kenabiang ba kade kamkai ha kawe kaliang kumnu unpha ya ka dorkas jongi sia kaju ka tenat ka ba jubab ya ka RTI jongi ka hanya tribute council hakasi palei kala buat jingkli ya karajong ka sarkar jala man panjing syai habai deib kilai spa sau pa atli kelong yeng temetor tem yau maulong na ka shillong municipal buat kabal ai ka jubab ya ka jing tip balapan lengba ka RTI hajarsan uba roy ya thu ba umi I so ai hakani ka komiti ke bami baki balet henrei menta kani ka sarkar mentaru kami apher ni ka sarkar ki balalit no Henry ka baong ya kani kwa ba kani ka kam kanyai mi biang makta ik jing syong sangan jong ka jala barok kawai katkum kani ka RTI ka Shillong municipal board kala pentip na kilai spa sau atli kilong ging jong ka temmetor tang si spa kanai pusau tali ki dei kilong ging jong ki brio batrei hak tenat sarkar kan ba si spa sau pusan pratali ki dei besu syong bian Ulaong baka sarkar kan sa penlong ya kajingalang bat ka Harijan Panchayat Committee HPC akan nyo tarik ujamang henry yang scam ba kenom don ka isu bajing lada ka sarkar ka ai quarter sya kinong tray jong ka sarkar jala henry kam dei ban ay ya kanu ka jing mentoy sya kino kilong yeng ki bom dei ki sakri ka sarkar ula ban rap ka HYC ka dawaru ya ka sarkar ban kendang bedno ya ki sispa sau pu pratli kilong yeng ki basu sa bian ha temetor tem yau molong hadian nam ka jing syam na ka RTI bala ai jubab da ka Shillong municipal board
are also taking responsibility for laborers, migrant workers. Are you still enforcing, properly these laws to ensure that those people who brought the laborers, who engage laborers, are also taking responsibility?
Yes. In fact, that one we have already instructed all the district administration. Because see, in fact, we do have also this deputy commissioner who's looking in the respective district, and we have already instructed to all the concerned, be it the offices, be it the district administration, to make sure that though the law of the state should be implemented in totality. For example, like the labor law. The labor law was there where each and every migrant laborers coming from outside the state, bringing in by our own people, be it by the contractors, be it by the landlords, or be it by anybody, or be it by the department. So they need to strictly follow the law. And the law is what? Very simple. They can apply online, they will get the labor license, and once they get that papers, means they can work freely here in the state of Meghalaya. So I would request all the concerned stakeholders to make sure that the paperwork has to be in order before you bringing in the laborers from outside the state.
So also anything met you on the Harijan relocation issue? You can update on that?
Yes, that one, in fact, they have submitted the memorandum to me, and then pointing out about the RTI copy that they received, they said instead of 342, they found out that it was only 194 or something like that. So I told them, subjected to verification again. So I have already sent back this copy to the Chief Executive Officer as well as to the Director of the Urban Affairs Department, where they have to verify, re-verify, and then come back, give it the detail to me.
But reply was given by the Shillong Municipal Board only to the RTI by the HYC.
No, that's what I'm saying. See, RTI, because the way the reply of RTI is, I remember correctly when I was looking after power. That again, that's Sabakya scheme. The RTI and the actual things that we have in the file is different. So I don't say that it is in totality correct. That's what I sent back to the department concerned to bring back all the details, and if need be, clarification has to be given to the.
When we see
Sir,
the next meeting,
whether the committee will go ahead with this meeting on 7th?
Sorry.
Whether the high-level committee will go
Yes,
ahead with
yes, yes. It will go ahead. Thank you so much. Bye.
send to the government by
See, my
arson's attack?
no. My point here is very clear. As I said to you, we will not allow anybody to take the law on their own hands. Law will prevail, and I have already instructed very, very clearly to the DGP and also to the SPs and all to make sure that this kind of thing should not again reoccur.
So, any advisory being issued to government offices to ensure that their properties are protected?
Yes, that we have already done it, and we have asked all the department concerned, all the police office, the government offices to be cautious, and also to make sure that when they park their vehicle or whatever, it should be in a proper place.
Sir, in view of this arrest and all, so are you changing the strategy? Are you changing your strategy of investigation or anything so that more?
No, why should we change? See, the investigation is on. As I said to you, it is not only with the police alone. Judiciary also is there. So you see, as I said to you, the procedure is there. So therefore, whatever the law takes, I think let us leave it to the number one, to the judiciary, and also from our side also, whatever conclusion, we will submit ultimately all the issues to the judiciary.
Will you increase the security around the city, sir?
Yeah, that too for sure. We will do it. We'll do it. We'll make sure that our people are very safe. The public are safe. They can go to the market. They can walk in the street safely. There is no harm.
Is there any requirement for additional force to maintain
No, right now we are examining. But as I said to you, we will not sleep. We will make sure that the law is in order. Yeah, that one we see. I do a review meeting with the NHSL and then all the concerned department for the implementation of Shillong Dawki Road, and number 2 is for the Western Bypass. So right now everything is on track, and as far as Western Bypass is concerned, even the possession of land has been partly handed over to the NHIDCL. Both the DCs, one is from East Castles and number 2 is from Riboy district. So land possession has been handed over partly, and very soon I'm very sure we'll be able to hand over the entire stretch of this road length, whatever, to the NHIDCL, because the work order also has been issued to the contractors.
What is the progress of work in regards to the Shillong Dawki Road?
Well, the Shillong Dawki Road, the work has just started again. I think you must have seen it, be it the 4-lane or be it the package 2, package 1, package 2 and package 4. They have just started, and I'm very sure. Of course, I don't have the percentage of work done, but maybe very soon I will get all the details from the NHIDCL.
So also if you can...
Well, the reaction is long days. We have already instructed the police force, DGP, to be on the ground and then to make sure that these things does not happen in the future.
So we have seen these incidents have happened just after KSU members have been arrested. We have seen the increase in these arson attacks on police stations and government properties. What do you have to say?
See, let me tell you one thing. I don't say whether KSU or not KSU members. When we arrest any person, you need to understand one thing. We strictly follow from all angles, where, how and why. Then ultimately investigation starts taking place, and thereafter again it will go to the court and let the court ultimately decide things. So my point here is very clear. I don't say whether those people whom we already pick up, whom we already arrested, belongs from KSU or from other group of people, but let the law take its own course. Okay. Number 2, still I don't believe that, the petrol bomb happens because of the arrest of the members of so-called KSU. I am very sure they are also very measured people. I don't think that, happens, because right now we will not allow from our side. Let the law prevails, and we will not allow these things to happen. And therefore, we will make sure that the law and order is, whatever you say, is safe and does not break down at all.
Sir,
Any advice
seven attacks in just 1 month. Why no arrest?
As I said to you, investigation is on. So please don't ask that question. We are on the job, and we cannot tell you also that today or tomorrow we will go and arrest anybody. So you leave it to the leave it to the duty of the police, and accordingly we will do necessary action.
So there is a sense of insecurity amongst the public after these attacks. Even Deputy CM's residence was attacked. Police stations are being attacked. So what is
No,
the
my request is like this: be cool and calm. Be cool and calm. I think if you say law and order is totally broken down, it's not like that. There are incidents like that where the petrol bomb, happen, maybe in 4, 5 or 6 or 7 and 8 places. That happened, but at the same time, let me tell you, from the police side, from the home, we are on the job and will make sure that people are fully safe and secure.
Pi nilai statement jong u deputy CM baning kong ing suban pan pau ba kalong ke ke ba hakajuk ko por ba susi ba kalong ke ke ba hakajuk ko por ka ba ngimla ban pediang namar ba riutli snam ngila ya lenti menta nadu snam arja khatra hajing sha ka sarkar ka ong ba kan nyau trik jong mentau benai kan de sien ka ba khadu ba kan ya shong bat ka HPC kata ka nong kita ka seng ka ba mi ikhmat ikiti beri ke shong te ngiru da ka jingmut ba ka sarkar lesi kelas study namar kani ka komiti ka bal khli do deputy CM nritli ki snem kala trai kam gina mut ba kelas study bha ya ki kot kisla shwaban shim ya karai shwaban ya penbet ikini beri ndre ka basu ka bas ngau lengo kalong ba menin ga sngi yo i ba u deputy CM ong ba sa shisin un pha biang ban re-verify ikini ki kot kisla ngi yo i ru ya statement ka bu ong ba let's say ka jing ai jubab RTI kalak ban kanomlong 100% accurate ka ba uang ba teng kalak ban nang jing bakla dei kumba kalong hi ka RTI ka bangi ngi yo kam dei ka bangi thau mangi kam dei ka bangi shna hi mangi dei ka jubab ka ba yo nakata ka noodle department ka ba deal ya kani ka kam kamut ka Shillong municipal board ti ban ong ba kata ka Shillong municipal board ka bakla lani ka ai ya ka jubab ka bolong inconsistent but kijing shisha tengah try lah da kalong kumta utau officer uba dili kani kam uba jubab yang ni uha ban shim ka jing ikli but ka baaru let's see kandai ka jing persyang jaka sarkar bahadin mengilalap bakadon ka jing bombiang ha kita ki data ki ba ka submit ha ki bor ba dai ban submit kala let's see mandi ka jing persyang jaka sarkar ban wanra pat da kawai ka data ka bakin sa yang ni let's see hadin baka Shillong Municipal Board kala study kana ka RTI ka bangi yo ajing sya ban pha biang ka jing ong jong deputy CM ban pha biang ban study ka RTI ka jongi ka bangi submit ha u ha ka SMB ka baka SMB ka ayangi ka long ka ka ba thamula do kata kumnu phin pha study ka ju ka department ka ba makahi ka jubab yang ti kalong ka ba kala bandai ka tang ka taktik ka jong ki nam ta ban penslam rena kalyang jong ka seng ban ya ka ba ngi IA ya ka jaka lani ya ki yeng se gini ki spa sau frateli ki bom dei hok ban yo na try ka kanlong ki ka ba ngimla ban penyang ti ban lat na kata na try ka sarkar ka ban pensha tada ka ong balai spa sau frateli pin ai ki bedei hok ban yo itai kwata ndre fim dei ban ai watang i weiru i yeng i bom dei hok ban yo bat ngin kren da ka putih kena ba kini ki spa sau frateli la da ka sarkar ka hele ban tap miau kan nur ban penbet ban ong bikidi nong tre ka sarkar kanom la katangi la ban ong da ngin kren ya ka sarkar da ka basai kala ban sna sibun kilat kelenti ban pensisha begini gibri gidi nong tre ka sarkar rengiru ngilalap ngila yo kot kisla ban pensisha ba kin don be kilong yin gini spa sau frateli bikim ding nong tre ka sarkar tingin pet ya ka juba ba lani ka sinjam ka sarkar kan ship
Kamu ba kani ka jing sarkar ka bahel bal komiti kam dal jingmut
ngim ong bakam don jingmut nginom ong ba kamdon jimut ka sorkar le se kala le ka badai ka banbu komiti na ka bataman kan penken ria kini gibriu ngiru ngi kwa hi ba kani issue on pendap no la ne kajing kwa hi kajong ngi bolong ba kini gibriu dai ban weng na kani jaka dai ban ra sa kono jaka la dai ban ai jaka sa ki ngimdan problem ngimdan issue kata dagi issue hi kalong ba tangi kitu gi badai hok ban yo ki ban yo ti kalong ke ik kumba ngalong fi kalong ke ik ba thamula ka ba sngosi ka ba snodiau ba nriutli isnam ke Chelsea kla shong meeting ringi ipat ha ka klep mat ka ba kan sakut no lap pan ban ku ba kum kini jing shisha tela jen lada ngi ngap ngi nomwat ka jing shisha komot ba ka sarkar kla ada pan ayeng lot dikitu gilai spa so for art long yeng wat la kim dei hok ban yo ru ti ya ka ba mentang in up ke ba ka clarification ka baka SMB ka ay andala yo kita clarification ya sina kaliang jong sengin sa perkhat pat kay bang ide benda
yang mengira susu bagi rakyat dan dulu di senamo jadi itu suka bahasa cara bukulah mengenai motor no hatu demi betul kok belum ke political agenda mungkin
nomlet chata ka political agenda jongno ka party tip ki job election lamba ka themator ni kim job election lamba ka themator nim tip kata ndega jing dawa ka jongi ka long badai ban weng ni briu bat weng hak lenti ka badai